Hello children, welcome back to continue real number. Today I am here to explain you the most important question of this chapter. So let's start. So today I am going to explain you show that any positive odd integers can be represented in the form of 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5 for some integer q. Here some integer q means the value of q may be equal to any integer. So let's start the solution. Let's a and b be any positive integer such that a is greater than b and b equal to 6. So we are taking a and b as any positive integer. Therefore we can take any value of b. In this case, according to the demand of question, we take b equal to 6. So you know Euclid division lemma. I have already discussed you in my previous video. So here a is the dividend and b is the divisor, and I take b the divisor equal to 6. So according to Euclid's division lemma, you know that when you divide the greater number by smaller number, that means when you divide a by b, then we can write a equal to b into q plus r, where is r is greater than equal to 0 but less than b. Now we are taking b equal to 6. So in place of b we can take 6. Here also in place of b we can take 6. So now the equation become a equal to 6q plus r, where is r is greater than equal to 0 but less than 6. See carefully, the value of r may be 0 or greater than 0 but less than 6. That means less than divisor. So what may be the value of remainder r? The value of remainder r may be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. But the remainder r may not be equal to 6. It is always less than 6. Now start. If we take r equal to 0, we know that the value of r is varies from 0 to 6. So first take the remainder r equal to 0. When you take r equal to 0, put this value in this equation. Put this value in this equation. So in place of r you are taking 0. So a will be become a equal to 6q plus 0, and 6q plus 0 is equal to 6q. Then take r equal to 1. So when you take r equal to 1, then a become equal to 6q plus 1. Now take r equal to 2. In place of r put 2. Then a is become equal to 6q plus 2. Then take r equal to 3. When you take r equal to 3, then a is equal to 6q plus 3. Then take r equal to 4. Then a will be equal to 6q plus 4. Then take r equal to 5. When you take r equal to 5, a will be equal to 6q plus 5. Now you know that the value of r is from 0 to 5. So we are taking first r equal to 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. We cannot take r equal to 6 because r is less than 6. In this way we are getting 6 equation. So when you see carefully this 6 equation, we may see that the value of a may be 6q or 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 2, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 4 and 6q plus 5. So this may be the value of any positive integer, or you can say any positive integer can be represented in this 6 different form. But when you see equation 1, you see that 6q is divisible by 2. You can divide 6q by 2. As it is divisible by 2, so this is a even integer. So 6q represent a even integer, but 6q plus 1 is not divisible by 2. So this is represent an odd integer. Again 6 cube plus 2 represent a even integer. So because it is divisible by 2, so we can take 6 cube plus 2 represent an even integer. 6 cube plus 3 is not divisible by 2, so it represent odd integer. 6 cube plus 4 again divisible by 2, so it's represent even integer. And 6 cube plus 5 is not divisible by 2, therefore it represent odd integer. So in this question you can see that any positive integer can be represented in these 6 forms, but out of which 3 are even and 3 are odd. If you see carefully, you can see that 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 3 and 6 cube plus 5. These represent odd integer as they are not divisible by 2. So if we summarize this question, finally we can see that any positive integer can be represented in the form of 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 2, 6 cube plus 3, 6 cube plus 4 and 6 cube plus 5, out of which 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 3 and 6 cube plus 5 are not divisible by 2. Therefore, they represent odd integers. So we have already proved this question. Hope all of you have understand this question. Now you can solve the similar question given in your textbook or in your reference book. Now I am giving you 2 questions for homework. Note down on your notebook. The first question is, show that any positive even integers can be represented in the form of 4q and 4q plus 2. And the second question is, show that any positive odd integers can be represented in the form of 8q plus 1, 8q plus 3, 8q plus 5 and 8q plus 7 for some integer q. Solve these 2 questions, and in my next video I will share you some more important questions of this chapter. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and bye.